Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. She is a famous actress with a net worth of approximately $8 million. She has appeared in more or less 40 films so far. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Amber Heard. Amber Heard. Bear. Heard. Amber Heard. Amber Heard is known for her versatile roles in drama and action films. Some of her top movies include Aquaman, The Rum Diary, and Drive Angry. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Amber Heard, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.